Good evening, folks. Joe Baker with Trade Pilot Pro. Do apologize for last night's video. It just, for some reason, said processing for hours and hours and hours and never processed. So, my apologies for that. I would like to go over this evening's numbers and show you what I'm seeing. We do have some small divergence in the money flow. As this market's rising, the money flow is dropping. Albeit maybe they're selling into this, maybe it's coming up on lighter volume, what have you, but we did take out the 1292.50. That was an area of concern for me to the upside. Obviously with oil tanking, this is really putting a big wind at the back of this market. So you got to watch these oil markets, folks. That's what this market is trading off of right now. Commodities collapsing, it puts so much less pressure on the dollar, which gives the Fed more room to be aggressive. So this is, the whole macro environment that's going on. As the commodities lessen, it drops inflationary pressures, and obviously inflationary pressures have been put on the markets due to the Fed's aggressive rate cutting. So this is really a good thing for the economy. Brings costs of goods down, which is in essence a tax for everybody in this country. So all that being said, where we go from here. Again, I mentioned in the prior videos, if you want to go back and watch those, they all, I all try to put something good in them. And the 110 area in oil looks to be, to me, like an area of resistance or support. Markets tend to run tenfold, and oil through the late 90s and early 2000 had gone from $11 a barrel to $15 a barrel. So these parabolic moves in these markets typically run 10 times. So we're looking at ultimate target areas of 110 to 150, and that's where we're in right now. So a break under 110 would take it underneath this, and that would be really good. So that's all I'm seeing with the oil markets. And again, above 92.50, I was looking for 05, 15, and 30, and today we got to 13, 15, almost 14 on the market today. So the market's playing out just fine, and price rules. So any of you out there that are getting hurt by these markets, I want you not to just take in consideration. Don't ever marry a position. Know these levels, and if you want, all you have to do is go to my blog. It's on the left-hand side. There's a little white knockout there. Just put your email in, and I'll send you these levels so that you can print them. And I get them out before the market as well. The ones I'm going to read off to you here soon. And just respect that line in the sand. These calculations are pretty strong. We've hit our breakout targets I believe the last 3 days in a row. They usually do hit about 3 days a week, so it's good average that they actually fulfill their complete targets. And these targets, folks, are usually anywhere from 11 to 14 points. So, okay, that being said, we're in an up channel. The upper end of this trading range, we do have to get over the 15 level. That's a pretty big area of resistance. And we get over there, there's a few, there's going to be levels all through there of resistance that you can trade in between. But the ultimate target from this point here would be the 1330 level. However, again, we'll watch our intraday levels and we'll trade those accordingly. I can't find many other indicators that are giving much divergence on this move, albeit I've been hearing comments about the light volume, and we know when light volume is present in the market can be pushed in an aggressive manner. So, all right, that being said, let's get to the daily intraday pivots. Okay, here we are, 1303.75. I'm looking for lower prices underneath 1303.75. Looking for higher above. So above 1303.75, I'm looking for 1306.25. I'm looking for 1310.75. That's our breakout level. 1314 and a quarter will probably pose as a little stronger area of resistance. It'll take a little bit to get through that. 13.17.50, 13.20.25, ultimate target 13.24.75 to the upside, with a small extension of 13.26.50, and then to the downside 12.98.75 under the 13.03.75, breakdown 12.96.75, 12.94.75, 12.92 even, 12.86.75, with the ultimate target of 12.82.75 to the downside. Again, if you want to receive this in a print format, again, just run to the blog, put your email address in, and I'll be sending those via email. I am adding those on a daily basis. If you have not received these by email, you will within the next week or so be getting them. So just sign up. I'm creating the database now, and I'm sending them out on a daily basis as the database gets completed. So again, folks, be very respectful of this market and trade accordingly, trade carefully, and do not marry any positions. Put hard stops in, know where your support and resistance is, and take it from there. You'll be a much better trader for it. Okay, folks, take care, and I will see you tomorrow night.